Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys how to save contact number in Lava mobile. Friends, we want to save contact number in Lava mobile, so how to save contact number one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, now let's see how to save contact number in Lava mobile. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone call setting. After on phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. So friends, click here dial option and press enter number, which number you want to save. Example guys, this is number and you want to save in your Lava mobile. So friends, click here create new contact and friends, click here first name. So friends, I will enter my mama's number. So friends, I will enter mama ji contact number and save. Example 4. So friends, click here contact and friends you can check your mama's contact number. Friends, you can see mama ji contact number. So like that friends, you can save number in your Lava phone device. And friends, you can check date also where today is 13 April. And friends, you can check we save this number on 13 April. And friends, you want to add number on your favorite list. So friends, click here star option and friends you can add number in your favorite list, and you want to remove number from favorite list, you can remove it. So like that friends, you can use contact number save setting in your Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.